Carpal tunnel syndrome. 15 natural remedies to reduce wrist pain and inflammation. Do you struggle with numbness, tingling, or pain in your hands and wrists? Carpal tunnel syndrome can make daily tasks difficult, but there are natural ways to find relief. In this video, we'll share 15 of the best natural remedies to ease discomfort, improve mobility, and support nerve healing, without relying on medications or surgery. These remedies are backed by science and focus on reducing inflammation, improving circulation, and relieving pressure on the median nerve. Please note this video is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. If your symptoms persist or worsen, consult a healthcare professional. All science-backed sources are listed in the description. If you find this helpful, like, subscribe, and share to help others dealing with carpal tunnel pain. Number 1. Rest and activity modification. One of the most effective ways to reduce carpal tunnel pain is to rest your hands and modify repetitive activities. Overuse of the wrist, especially from typing, using a mouse, or gripping objects tightly, can worsen symptoms. Taking short breaks every 15 to 30 minutes, using an ergonomic keyboard, and reducing prolonged wrist strain can ease pressure on the median nerve. When symptoms flare up, avoid activities that cause pain and allow the wrist to heal. Number 2. Cold compress. Applying a cold compress can help reduce swelling and numb pain. Inflammation around the carpal tunnel increases pressure on the nerve, worsening symptoms. Wrap ice in a cloth and place it on your wrist for 10 to 15 minutes at a time, a few times a day. Avoid direct contact with ice to prevent frostbite. This simple remedy reduces swelling and provides quick relief, especially after extended hand use. Number 3. Warm water therapy. Soaking your hands and wrists in warm water can relax tight muscles and improve blood circulation. This is especially beneficial if you experience stiffness in the morning or after repetitive tasks. Fill a bowl with warm water, not too hot, and soak your hands for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently move your fingers and wrist while soaking to loosen up the joints. Doing this before bed may also reduce nighttime pain. Number 4. Hand and wrist stretches. Stretching helps improve flexibility and reduce pressure on the median nerve. A simple stretch involves extending your arm straight in front of you with your palm facing up. Use your other hand to gently pull your fingers back, stretching the wrist and forearm. Hold for 15 seconds and repeat a few times on each hand. Regular stretching keeps the wrist mobile and can help prevent worsening symptoms. Number 5. Elevation to reduce swelling. If your carpal tunnel symptoms are caused by fluid retention or swelling, elevating your hands and wrists can help. Keeping your wrist elevated above your heart improves circulation and reduces pressure. When sitting, place your hands on a pillow or armrest. At night, try propping up your wrist with a soft pillow to minimize stiffness and discomfort. Number 6. Epsom salt soak. Epsom salt contains magnesium, which helps relax muscles and reduce inflammation. Soaking your hands in warm water with Epsom salt for 15 to 20 minutes can relieve pain and stiffness. Magnesium is essential for nerve function and may help soothe irritated nerves in the wrist. Try this remedy a few times a week to ease discomfort naturally. Number 7. Turmeric for inflammation. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can help reduce pain and swelling in the wrist. Adding turmeric to your diet, whether in food or as a tea, may provide long-term relief. You can make a simple turmeric tea by mixing a teaspoon of turmeric powder with warm water and honey. This natural remedy supports nerve health and reduces oxidative stress that can contribute to nerve damage. Number 8. Ginger for pain relief. Ginger has natural pain-relieving properties that can help with carpal tunnel discomfort. It improves circulation and reduces inflammation in the wrist. Drinking ginger tea or adding fresh ginger to your meals can help ease symptoms over time. A simple way to use ginger is to steep thin slices in hot water for 10 minutes and drink as a soothing tea. Number 9. Massage therapy. Gently massaging your wrist and forearm can improve blood flow and relieve tension around the carpal tunnel. Use slow circular motions to massage the base of your palm and wrist. Focus on areas where you feel tightness or tenderness. Regular massage helps relax the muscles and may prevent nerve compression from worsening. Number 10. Omega-3 rich foods. Eating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as flax seeds, walnuts, and chia seeds, can help reduce inflammation. Omega-3s support nerve health and may improve symptoms of carpal tunnel syndrome over time. Including these anti-inflammatory foods in your diet can be a long-term way to manage wrist pain naturally. Number 11. Acupressure points. Acupressure involves applying gentle pressure to specific points on the body to relieve pain. One effective point for carpal tunnel is the pericardium 6P6 point, located on the inner wrist about 3 finger widths below the palm. Pressing and massaging this area for 30 seconds may help reduce pain and improve circulation in the wrist. Number 12. Wearing a loose wrist wrap at night. Keeping your wrist in a neutral position while sleeping prevents excess pressure on the median nerve. A soft, loose fabric wrap or a folded towel around the wrist can provide light support without restricting blood flow. This can prevent symptoms from worsening overnight and improve comfort. Number 13. Hand strengthening exercises. Strengthening the small muscles in your hands and wrists can improve stability and reduce nerve pressure. A simple exercise is squeezing a soft ball or stress ball for a few seconds and then releasing it. Doing this daily can enhance grip strength and provide better support for the wrist. Number 14. Proper ergonomics. How you position your hands and wrists while working or using devices plays a huge role in carpal tunnel symptoms. Adjusting your desk height, keeping your wrists in a neutral position, and using an ergonomic mouse or keyboard can prevent unnecessary strain. Making small adjustments can prevent worsening pain and keep your wrists healthy. Number 15. Herbal anti-inflammatory teas. Certain herbal teas, such as chamomile and green tea, contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds that can help with carpal tunnel pain. Chamomile has relaxing properties that soothe the nervous system, while green tea is rich in antioxidants that combat inflammation. Drinking a cup of herbal tea daily can provide subtle but effective relief. Bottom line, carpal tunnel syndrome can make daily tasks painful, but these natural remedies can help ease discomfort and support healing. By reducing inflammation, improving circulation, and relieving pressure on the median nerve, you can find relief without relying on medications. Which of these remedies are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others dealing with wrist pain.